Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a side-to-side backhander. Now, knowing how to do a side-to-side and a backhander will already be really helpful. In case you've never done one of those, the links to the teaching clips for those are in the description below. Assuming you're ready, it goes like this: 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, there is a fairly tricky hand change in the middle of that, but apart from that it's actually quite easy, and you can do this kind of old school backhander, or you can do a more modern variation. So in theory I could do the old school version, have the lady's hand in one hand and physically transfer it by reaching around the lady. I'm never a massive fan of that because it does feel a little bit like you're giving the lady a bear hug in the middle of the dance. Not everybody's comfortable with that. So my preference for the hand change is to get close to where I need the hand to be and just flick it and catch it, and it just means you're letting go of the lady for 6 inches. It's not a big problem. So let's walk through it. In fact, we'll do it from this side first because it's probably more useful to you. So we go left to right, side to side, we go back, we come in side by side, we come out and square. We come in side by side, we come out and square, and we need to have our right hand ready, because what happens is we're bringing the lady forwards a little bit faster, we're giving the lady a little bit more rotation, and as the lady's coming we switch into our right hand, we walk forwards down the left hand side, we're taking that hand around the lady, keeping her moving, we're going to reach around with the left, throw the hand from the right to the left, or if you want to do it old school you can reach round and physically transfer the hand, do your little bear hug, and then from here as the lady continues away we're going to do a return and back, and we're done. So now from this side, and we'll talk numbers, so we go semicircle back 1, inside by side 2, back out square 3, inside by side 4, back out square 5, we do the transfer going around 6, we do the return 7, and we're back 8. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a side to side backhander. Back, in, out, transfer, return, and back. And you'll notice I did the transfer with the little throw and the catch, and I didn't actually look at it to do it. So you can do it just by feel, knowing where it's all going to be. One tip for the ladies: be careful you don't take the guy out with your spare arm the way around. So when you feel like there's someone in close, you want to tuck your spare arm in, because if you start floating it out things can go pear-shaped pretty quick. And that's it. Hope you find that useful. I hope you enjoy it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified every time a new video comes out. There's a music recommendation on the end of the video so that you've got something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.